Hi, my name is Christy Bavuzzo, and I am a junior at Cal U. I recently just changed my major to professional studies and education with a minor in psychology. This is my website that I would use if I had a future classroom one day, and I'm hoping to be a preschool teacher, so I think this would be a great resource to use as a class communication tool. This is the homepage of my website where I have a welcome note for my students and my families to read to let them know how excited I am to be their teacher for this upcoming school year. Below that, I included a daily class schedule based on my field experience that I was in, just as an example of what their day might be like. Under my About Me page, I included pictures of myself, the beach, which is my favorite place, Disney, which I love going to, and my puppy. I included some facts about myself to help the students get to know me before they come to school. And I also included a welcome note on this page to let them know just how excited I am to have them in my classroom and what a great year I believe that we're going to have together. Also under my About Me page, I included my professional goals because I think this is important for parents to know and other teachers if they are looking at my website. I included the domains planning and preparation, classroom environment, instructional delivery, professional conduct, assessment, and knowledge of diverse learners. I think it's important for families to be able to understand my professional goals, to see where I'm coming from, and maybe give them some background as to why I'm choosing the lessons that I am and my beliefs in the classroom. Up next is my Tech Tools section, and this is an introductory page to my Tech Tools page. And on this page, I will post some of my most favorite technology tools that I use personally, along with the tools we will be using throughout the school year. I have found this page to be very helpful in the past to you as a parent to assist your child with activities we will be doing in the classroom. Each tool will have its own page, making it easier for you to navigate. As always, feel free to leave questions or comments. I'm always happy to help. I think it's a good idea to have an introductory page just so the parents know why exactly I'm posting these technology tools for them to use at home with their children. The first topic underneath my tech tools is the ISTE standards. These are a framework for students, educators, administrators, coaches, and computer science educators to rethink education and create innovative learning environments. Below are the standards directly from the ISTE website. The next section under my Tech Tools page is Powtoon. On this page, I introduced Powtoon to the families. I gave some uses of Powtoon, the pros of Powtoon that I found important, as well as the cons. Some uses of Powtoon that I think are important are that you are able to make free, engaging, creative, and professional PowerPoint presentations. You can make videos that you can upload to YouTube, which is a great tool as a teacher. And Powtoon is a good tool to use for educational assessment and content delivery within the classroom. For my pros of Powtoon, I also included some pros that I think that parents would agree that are important, like PowerPoint presentations will be creative, engaging, and professional. No more boring, lifeless PowerPoints, which is a really important aspect of teaching because when you're doing lectures, you don't want your students to be bored. And Powtoon gives you the ability to make your presentations fun and more engaging for your students. Here I posted some cons of Powtoon that I believe parents may think are important. I also have attached a video that I have created using Powtoon myself just to show parents how easy it really is to use. I had so much fun creating this short video to share with my parents and their children. Up next under my tech tools is Kahoot. And under Kahoot, I included what is Kahoot, uses of Kahoot, some pros and cons of this website. Kahoot is a tool for using technology to administer quizzes, discussions, or surveys. It is a game-based classroom response system played by the whole class in real time. Personally, when I was in school, I used to love when my teachers would put up a Kahoot code and we would play because it was a more fun way to engage in the learning rather than just answering questions on a quiz. I think my class will really like this one day, and I plan to use it in my future room. Up next under Tech Tools are QR codes. I did my infographic on QR codes, so I thought it would be a good idea to include that as the main focus on this Tech Tool page, since it explains everything that I would have told them anyway. QR codes in the classroom are a great idea. Here I included a video of the magic of QR codes in the classroom that's a TED Talk. I explained what QR codes are to parents just in case they weren't sure or they may be getting them confused with a barcode. Some benefits of QR codes in the classroom are that it's child-friendly, easy, allows for independence, which is great for children, student engagement, it's a time saver, and it's reliable, so you can always count on QR codes. Some QR codes to enhance learning in the classroom you could use by codes for instruction, worksheets, extra practice, stations, support for reading, and scavenger hunts. Some ideas for your classroom are homework help tutorials, word walls can be more engaging, research projects, scavenger hunts, and quick check answers. I believe QR codes are a great way to include fun in the classroom, and it makes learning way more fun for your students. Up next on my Tech Tools section is Socrative. Socrative is an interactive web-based student response system. It can help teachers encourage learning through user-created quizzes and polls. On this page, I have also attached a link to a Socratic quiz that I have created. Click the link to find out for yourself why this is such an awesome tool to incorporate into your classroom. Next to my quiz, I also included some pros of Socrative and some uses of Socrative. And I could not think of many cons of Socrative. The only ones I could think of that quizzes are not available outside of the classroom, which might be difficult if a teacher was planning to use them as a homework assignment. And teachers cannot import quizzes from a Word document or a PDF file. And it relies on web computer access for all students, which is a main factor of all the other tools as well, but this one more. Up next on my website, I included a page to explain how I will use this in my future profession. As a future educator, having a classroom website is a great idea for many reasons. By having a class website, parents will be able to find information they may need available to them at all times. Having a class website is a great way to stay in touch and update parents super quick. It is also a great place for teachers to be able to post class materials, photos, updates, etc. The next tab on my website is Contact Info, and this is a way for the parents to be able to contact me. Here I have how they can reach me at my email. By phone, they can call me at this number, or they can submit a question using this online form. I will respond as soon as possible, and I think this online tool to submit questions is a great idea because it's hassle-free and no one has to take an extra step to dial a phone number or type in an email. And that's my website.